Welcome to this video which shows you just how simple it is to take advantage of the UK-based VPS which is available from specialist provider BettingDev. If you need more background on why you should use a VPS, just check out this video detailed here which will offer some general information on that topic. So, why do I recommend using the BettingDev VPS if you're a betting follower? Quite simply, it's tailored to the specific needs of the betting community, offered by a company which specialises in betting products and thus has the expertise needed, and also can offer you informed and practical support for all its clients. Just take a look at the features which the VPS includes as standard. I won't talk through them now, but just give you a minute to check them out. I know from my personal experience these are effective and provided highly professionally. One element I will mention now is the privacy aspect that's also included as standard. Many bookmakers install spyware on your device without telling you, and certainly they don't ask your permission. Called IE Snare or Reputation Manager, it allows the bookies to track you across what should be separate and private accounts. So BettingDev install a blocker on the VPS, which means the bookies can't do this. If you want more information on this subject, take a look at the Justice for Punters website or my feature article on the Bet World Reviews site, details shown here now. Okay, so you want to go ahead? Let's take a look at the VIP option, which is available at a special price to Bet World Review readers. Start by clicking on the Buy Now button. Now click on the Add to Cart and complete the details that are required on the checkout screen. Just make sure you specify the betting bot that you wish to be installed, as this is done free as part of the initial setup process. You can add more later, but you might as well start how you mean to go on. Shortly you'll receive an email with your personal VPS details, including a PDF manual which details how to configure things. Let's just show you how it's done. I'm using a Windows 10 based PC, but the process for an Apple Mac is similar, and you get separate instructions for this type of device if you need it. Click the Windows Start button, scroll down to the Windows Accessories section on the menu. Expand this and select Remote Desktop Connection Program. This brings up the connection box, and using the details which are supplied in your personal PDF, enter the computer name. This is a numeric value which in fact is going to be your new unique IP address. You then if needed, enter the username, which is always administrator by default. Now select the Show Options menu, which is at the bottom left of that dialog, and choose the appropriate connection speed. Best to have detect connection quality automatically, but you can have high-speed broadband, WAN or LAN. Don't select modem or load speed broadband, otherwise you won't get through to the VPS. Now click on Connect, and here we are. So let's take a tour of what's available to you, starting with the pre-installed bots that you selected. On mine there are several because they gave me the option to install several, which is great. And just like your normal device, all you do is double click the icon and off you go. Let's check out Bet Engine, which is an excellent product for horse and greyhound racing. So double click, you bring up the login screen. I have to fill in my details, which I'll do, and then that will take you through to the bot. I won't go any further, but you can see it's just like using an ordinary device. The VPS programmers have also tried to offer you easy access to a wide range of betting products and relevant connections. So if you go to the browser, which is Chrome, the favourites element includes links to these, and of course you can always add your own if you want to, quite simply, same as you would at the moment. Over on the left hand side you'll see the user guides for the specialist bots which Betting Dev offer for sale. Also pre-installed for you to use are Adobe Flash Player and Acrobat PDF Reader, which are pretty standard pieces of kit that you're likely to need. And there's also the Profit Simulator software, which is included in your subscription price. This allows you to monitor and maintain records of your betting, personalised to you, of course. As well as all those visible features, there's quite a lot going on in the background, whichever level of subscription you've selected. The daily backup of your VPS is included. You of course get your individual IP address, the latest Windows Server software. Please make sure you always install updates as they become available, and a powerful CPU or engine with pure SSD, which allows your software to run quickly and smoothly. I think you could possibly say that the VPS is a bit like a Formula 1 car compared to a rally race or something like that. And it doesn't end there. Each month you'll be able to access a new sports betting system absolutely free. So far we've seen systems for soccer, horse racing, greyhounds and tennis, and other genres are promised in the future. So there's our run through of the Betting Dev VPS, and I hope the common theme that you will have noticed is the simplicity of it all. If you do have a problem, which is relatively unlikely, but the support team will help you quickly and efficiently. And they don't just help you with the VPS software, but any other software you've installed on the platform as well. So the only thing left for you is to choose which level of subscription you'd like. Standard gives you all the features I've talked about, and if you're a member of Bet World Reviews, you can get a discount on the monthly cost by using the link shown. The Gold subscription has significant added benefits of all the Betting Dev proprietary bots and Grus Betting Assistant, all within that one subscription. Whichever you choose, they will all offer you excellent value for money. If you've got any questions about the Betting Dev VPS, the Betting Dev support team will be pleased to give you their full attention and give you the best equipment to beat those darn bookies. Very good luck to you all.